He is Vlado Lenoch, and that is the P-51D Mustang, the Cadillac of the skies. Coming in right now, people are spent speed of 505 miles an hour. Vlado's showing you with about 350 miles an hour. Looks like he comes right down to the neck. And the extent there is show right. That's that Mustang cut for the sky, and then right in, so you can see the blue scope flash, the tail scope flash as he goes right back up. Look at that airplane just falls through 2,500 feet, 3,000 feet. Vlado hooks his head back to that bubble canopy. He makes his wind directions while hanging upside down. Now diving on a 45-degree down line. You can see he does a full and half roll and comes right back down and steers front. There's Joe Wright. Nose looks down as he extends out here from the right angle. Airspeed building dramatically. Give away to his motion first when his thing come down the show line. Right down the formation flying. 5 once again, they're about half a mile overhead. Hangs by his seatbelt, shoulder harnesses, dives on a 45. Left side nose come down, executes a half roll while coming right back down the show line. Keeps that nose pointed down and extends again to show right. The sounds of the P-51 Mustang. Now Vlado steps off that right side. Left side airplane just coasts as he goes into the right end zone, repositioning for the next maneuver on here. Arcing around out there. Nice swing over, turn around. Nose comes back down through the horizon. Airspeed starts to build. You can hear the roll of that beautiful Rolls-Royce Merlin V12, built under license by the Packard Motor Car Company in Detroit during World War II. The highly fuel-efficient, low nose profile that Rolls-Royce Merlin provided gave the Mustang legendary status. As we watch coming down our show line right now, Vlado comes right down our show line here, extends, nose comes up. And across the top, she flies airplane to a classic loop right on through. Keeping a constant about 5G pull on the aircraft there. So for a long time there, Vlado was feeling about 5 times his weight. Now he has continuous maneuvers on something like that. Accelerated maybe 9, 10 Gs through the snap over. That was instantaneous. What is that entire loop maneuver? Set right on the top where you can relax for just a moment. Vlado was feeling the pressure of all those Gs, but now as we watch him reposition out here off of Air Show left, he's just having a great time flying. Of course, Vlado's been flying Air Show demonstrations in the beautiful North American Aviation P-51 Mustangs for 25 Air Show seasons. As we watch that nose come back down through the horizon. Nose down, power up as he comes down our show line. Airspeed building dramatically as he's going for about 330 miles an hour right there. There's about 340 as he extends right down on the deck. And now as he extends down our show line, let's watch as the nose goes up. Now as we watch a lot of reposition out here in that right end zone there behind the tree line, he'll be setting back up for the next portion of his air show demonstration.
Wait, dude, did you hear it?
Now as the nose comes down again out here off that right side, he lets it come back on our show line here, picking up a lot of steam as he comes by in that beautiful North American Aviation P-51D Mustang. Mustang, of course, gained fame because it was capable of escorting our B-17, B-24 heavy bombers all the way from their bases in Italy and Germany and England all the way to the heartland of Germany during World War II. And now as we watch Vlado bring that Mustang right down the show line, showing you a nice 4-point hesitation roll as he stops and rolls every 90 degrees. So you'll notice on the lower side of the fuselage there's a big air scoop there, and that is where the radiator, you will pour are located. You'll notice that they're part of the performance. There'll actually be a door on the back side of the scoop that will be open to allow more air to go through, and other portions it'll be closed as the temperatures are where they need them to be. So now as we watch those come back down through your eyes and do a nice teardrop style turnaround, keeping that classic Mustang right in front of us out here at Air Show Left. Vlado's great uncle, Don Lenoch, was a ace during World War II. He was flying for the Luftwaffe. So as we watch him come down the show line here, watch that Mustang come right down the neck, you can see that that door is over there. So it's a nice and crisp roll right down our show line.
What happened? He took No, Ryan, no.
Too goddamn many to pay attention to.
All right, so down the right end zone, you can see the Mustang repositioning here as he comes back down our show line, giving you a nice top platform view. As he gives you a great view of this historic aircraft. The North American rendition, the P-51D Mustang Baby Duck, being flown for us here today by Vlado Lenoch.
Give me my
Let's that nose come back down again as he repositions again. What a beautiful sight and sound, that P-51D Mustang. Vlado Lenoch at the controls. Beautiful, the radar you pass of the Mustang.
I know. I didn't hear that part.
All right, as Mustang heads out, he's playing into the first position. And we're just a few minutes away from launching F-86 Sabre being flown for us today by Mr. Paul Wood.